1982 Porsche 911 SC steel slant nose conversion. Price, $22,928. Location, Boston. The 1982 Porsche 911 SC slant nose is the kind of classic sports car that instantly grabs attention from every direction. Finished in iconic Guards red with an aggressive wide-body stance, this air-cooled Porsche looks like it drove straight out of a 1980s supercar poster. The legendary Flashball-inspired front end, pop-up headlights, and massive whale tail spoiler give this machine a presence that feels both exotic and rebellious at the same time. The heart of this Porsche is a matching numbers 3.0-liter flat-six engine paired with the legendary 915 5-speed manual transmission. Back in the golden era of analog sports cars, this combination delivered a raw and unforgettable driving experience that modern cars struggle to recreate. The sound of the air-cooled engine alone is enough to make Porsche enthusiasts stop and listen. Every shift, every throttle response, and every curve reminds drivers why the classic 911 became one of the most respected performance cars in automotive history. The most eye-catching feature is without question the steel slant nose conversion, inspired by the brutal Porsche 935 race cars that dominated motorsport in the late 1970s. The slant nose design became one of the biggest status symbols of the 1980s. Factory-built Flashball models were extremely rare and expensive, which made custom steel conversions like this incredibly popular among enthusiasts who wanted the same exotic appearance without paying supercar money. Even today, this look still turns more heads than many modern luxury cars. The interior keeps the authentic vintage Porsche atmosphere alive with bucket seats, VDO gauges, a Momo steering wheel, power windows, air conditioning, and a classic Kenwood radio. The gold-centered BBS-style mesh wheels complete the unmistakable retro aesthetic, while the widened rear fenders make the car appear muscular and aggressive from every angle. This Porsche perfectly captures an era when sports cars were built with personality, emotion, and pure mechanical soul. The most exciting part is the opportunity this car represents. Although currently offered as a non-running project, this 911 SC could become an incredible restoration piece for the right enthusiast. Air-cooled Porsche values continue to attract collectors worldwide, and unique examples like this stand out even more because of their rare styling and unmistakable character. Bringing this machine back to life would not only revive an automotive icon, but also create a car that could dominate attention at every car meet, cruise night, and social media video. The 1982 Porsche 911 SC steel slant nose conversion is more than just a classic car. It is a symbol of 1980s automotive culture, where bold styling, raw performance, and fearless customization created unforgettable machines.